This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vanessa Gumm. Gorgeous 2-bedroom 2-bath villa is fully furnished unit in desirable Fairway Villas in IRP. The community has new roofs and has recently completed exterior repairs as well as resurfaced the pool and tiled the pool and reinforced the seawall. This first floor unit boasts a generous sized screen patio overlooking the luscious golf course. The unit has complete impact windows and doors. The kitchen is open to the living room and patio. Walk to the tiki bar for lunch or cocktails. There is Ocean Club membership available for beach, golf, tennis, pickleball, 5 restaurants, 2 fitness gyms, 3 additional pools, 2 hot tubs, ping pong, and cornhole. This is your home away from home. For more information,